Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to connect Autods to eBay. Without further ado, let's get started. So you have a store on eBay and you want to start your dropshipping business using Autods. So to start using Autods, just search for Autods on Google and that will surely be the first result. So just click on that. Then click on the Get Started button or the Login button here. Then as you can see, you will be able to choose a store where you want to sell on. So in our case, let's click on eBay. Then click on Continue. Then just choose a plan here. And as what you may have noticed, each plan has a 30-day free trial. So you can try it first. If you're not that happy with the service, you can cancel it anytime within 30 days. So let's click on the first option. Then here you will have to select a payment method. So you can pay through PayPal, Payoneer, or credit card. And as you can see here, there is a 21-day money-back guarantee, so you can get a refund once you cancel your subscription within that time frame. Now, just to show you a glimpse on how you can add your eBay store to Autods, here on Autods Help Center, they provide a step-by-step guide. So you will basically see something like this on the left sidebar. Then you just have to click on Add Store. Then something like this will appear. Just click on Add Store again. Then you will have to select the store that you want to connect to Autods. So just click on eBay Store. Next, select the eBay target. So this means the marketplace where you want to sell in. So for example, eBay UK or US, just click on the drop-down arrow to see the options. Then click on Connect Your Store. Then just log into your eBay account. When this appears, just click on Agree. And that's it. When you added your store, you will get a notification approving it and the system will let you upload your first item to your Autods account. And there you have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.